American food that got banned in other countries. Food. It is the most essential commodity that everyone needs to consume. Nowadays, we can see that the food business is so profitable, and it has lots of brands. Across every country, the most sold goods are food. Therefore, most of the brands decided that their brand will stay globally. Many food brands are across all the countries, for instance, KFC, Pizza Domino's, Pizza Hut, Burger King, and many of them. However, if I say some food brands are banned in their countries, yes, in today's video, we are going to disclose some of the banned restaurants in their countries. Without delay, let's watch interesting facts. The main segments are where I want some significant products to be highlighted. In this video, I am going to narrate the most popular American food restaurant that plays a very significant role, that attracts us to watch, and is recognizable. American foods are supposed to be made hygienic, but what occurred makes us not believe it. Let's cover a few points. Firstly, the most prominent American product is Skittles. In the video, we can see that the Skittles is banned. This is because the chemicals contain dangerous substances which provide hyperactivities and that are toxic and unfit for human consumption, which got banned in their own country, in America, and in those other countries it was shipping to, such as England and so on. In the second video, we can see that consuming American bread is harmful. Why? Because it contains a harmful substance named azotocarbonamide. This substance is also used in industrial products, particularly yoga mats. When the European Union (EU) got to know, they instantly banned the product to be consumed in America and stopped their shipping. Thirdly, the product is to be pork. In America, maximum people are Christian, then why pork is banned? The answer is, even though Americans are consuming 67 pounds of bacon per person in a year, the shocking fact is that the processing to take out pork meat includes lots of chemicals. Chemicals such as ractopamine leads a pig to have a high metabolism. Many researchers are claiming that they found antibiotic-resistant bacteria and traces of veterinary drugs. It has been banned in over 160 countries as ractopamine has the same toxicity in all humans. This drug is very unsafe for human consumption. The European Americans and Eat FSA opinions were taken in 2009 under the accounts of animal health and animal welfare. Later on, it has been seen that in 27 countries they declared that ractopamine is safe to consume in these countries. If pork is consumed in large quantities, then many heart attacks can occur. It may lead to bradycardia and tachycardia symptoms. However, in America, it is the cheapest food that can be consumed easily. It is hard to maintain the awareness of ractopamine because maximum people are habituated to consuming pork daily. In our business era, it seems like if the price of the product is low, then the demand for products is likely to be higher. Here, the situation is the same. If Americans want to save their population, then the government should take action on this. The fourth product is chicken. Can anyone imagine chicken getting banned? The answer is yes. Many kinds of harmful chemicals are used in the raw meat of chickens. Many food businesses came across chlorine in those raw meats. They think that it will help to reduce bacteria, but it is figured out that chlorine is harmful too. The EU has refused to accept chlorinated chicken since 1997. It got banned in the United Kingdom and European Union. However, the statistics show that the US stood as the second largest chicken exporter in the world. Fifthly, Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is banned in America, Australia, and Norway. While producing this soda, here a very dangerous chemical is used, and that is tartrazine. This tartrazine substance is also used in producing Skittles too. This soda is over-caffeinated and provides hyperactivities. The original Mountain Dew was likely to be whiskey. Therefore, by this information, we can guess how harmful it is to consume. Mostly, it got banned in Japan and the European Union. The sixth position that is banned from consume is Little Debbie. It is a Swiss roll, cakes, nutty bars, brownies, and so on. It is very height banned. Approximately 900 million cartons of this Little Debbie product are likely to ship each year. However, the ships are not provided in Australia and Norway. What is the reason behind this? The reason is that these cakes are usually included with lots of colors. Red 40 and yellow 5 are used. In logo's appeal, it shows that Swiss rolls contain 32 million or red dye on the product, which is very much unhealthy. These dyes cause cancer and damage to blood cells. Surprisingly, Little Debbie products are available in the EU, but there is a warning label on the packaging saying, Surgeon General warning: smoking causes lung cancer, heart disease, emphysema, and may complicate pregnancy. It seems like we are at the very end of our video discussion. I would like to mention again, if you guys are liking the facts we are bringing, then kindly like our video and subscribe. Comment below which part is much shocking to you. If you want to ask me what shocked me the most, it was the bread part. It is very unexpected that Americans can do such a thing. Thank you so much for staying tuned till the end.